Hey guys, we're here with the second episode of Tech Talk. This is Kyler. I'm here with
Zach
and Ryan.
Oh yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no! Dude saved it. That would have been a shame.
Bad, real bad, real. Okay, safe.
How about the guys in the other lane were like, oh no.
You guys learn. I don't know what to do with
Jerry
my hands.
again.
Especially in an old muscle car like that just all they do is get the wheels loose.
Torquey
It's
powder.
all torque, yeah. My dad used to have an old Cutlass, which is like the Oldsmobile version of that car, and it was a diesel. And I'd never seen another Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme diesel. It was really weird. We like chopped the exhaust on it, and it was just dumping coal everywhere. It was ridiculous. It was the most ridiculous car to have growing up in West Virginia. So.
How much was it?
Well, there you go, Ryan.
How much was it?
Status.
They gave it to me.
So you're not gonna tell me how much was it?
They gave it to
Dude,
me.
that's it.
I don't believe you. How are they gonna give you something like that?
They gave this. They gave it to me. Like, hey. Like, okay, yeah. They gave.
I'm gonna need to have that on dial if I ever get married.
Honestly, I think that one wasn't supposed to be in there, but it was
That is like the cleanest build.
The audio on that's so funny.
The sound clips just kill me.
I've watched that one so many times.
This is a good one.
Are you gonna get the boards on the side like this guy?
Not the sliders.
Sliders.
I don't know, maybe.
Do you have that on your?
No, not yet. And last time
I'm
we
not
went
that
off-roading,
intense with the off-roading. Like, hey, I'm gonna just like mount that rock and slide the side.
Yeah, and then where did we end up last time we went?
That's true.
I
You
went
did.
straight over a rock.
I was
that was
like,
my fault,
You're not
but
gonna tell me how much was it?
that's a timing belt. Oh man,
Just in time. That's the
Yeah.
caption is just in time.
literally.
Like, I just happened to check down
Like-
and my timing belt was disintegrating.
All you gotta do is look at that thing and it's gonna break. That's crazy.
how often do we do this?
The timing belts?
Yeah.
I called it a chain a little bit ago.
Yeah.
Belt, what are they? 600,000? 60,000?
It depends on the model of it, or like brand and all that. But
How many do you think that has on it?
dude,
All of them?
at least all of them, all of the miles.
All of the miles.
No, man, but you gotta keep going. What am I gonna do? Quit? That's not an option. You gotta keep on keeping on. Cigar
This is
today,
you
you can
on
make it work
Sundays,
for you.
Dude, I would definitely.
It's definitely you on Sunday.
The fact that she made it over the hump and then
Like,
right
we
into
got
a tree.
this. Oh wait, traction.
Dude, she was like getting some pretty good
Cigar.
booster tail going there, shooting out the dust.
Oh yeah, in the back.
That's great.
The only way that could have been any better. Oh wait, is she holding a beer? What is she holding?
She's definitely either. Yeah,
I was
she's
about
holding
to
a beer. It's a tall boy. It's a tall
I was
boy.
literally about to say the only way that could have gotten better if she was holding a beer.
Oh, that's amazing.
Hold my beer. Watch this. Oh gosh,
That's
that
not
canola oil.
That can't be real.
Oh wait. The guy in the back looks photoshopped.
Yeah, it doesn't look real. Looks like a Grand Theft Auto character standing back there.
Shucking the door open.
yeah.
Oh, that's definitely us in the desert.
Dude, that's us in the
Stay in.
Side by side?
T-Rex.
Oh god, it got worse.
hard.
No. I thought he was gonna like save it after the first roll.
I thought so too.
Those things aren't built for that kind of roll.
That's crazy.
Before you go on to the next one, what do you think you did wrong? What would you have done differently in that situation?
Not going up in that thing at all.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I would have stayed at the bottom.
It,
Found another way around.
steer into it. I don't know.
God.
Crazy.
Yeah, that thing was like far too. It's not built for that. It's like far too narrow and rigid. It's not doesn't have like the big bendy suspension and
Right.
not even a proper roll cage or a harness to hold you in. It's just like a seat belt.
But they're total weapons in the desert. That's for sure.
Yeah,
you can
not-
go rip.
I'm not
those
saying
things
don't
around.
rip it.
Yeah,
They
just
will
not
rip.
like that.
When it's your day, it's your day. I'm backing up pretty fast. And I'm looking in this mirror so I can see over there. I'm telling it to stop.
So close.
I slam on the brakes and I look over.
It's like the closest you can get without hitting it.
Look at the fender, like to there. Holy
Damn,
cow.
bro, that's. I'd be so scared to pull out, like to pull forward. There. Then M3. Yeah. Ouch.
The only pole you could possibly hit in the entire garage.
All the
God,
all the
it's so
traction,
bad.
man. Just straight into it. Didn't even.
What went wrong on that?
Understeer is a hell of a drug. TikTok.
TikTok.
I guess.
Tech talk.
Tech
I guess.
But spell it tech,
Tech.
and then talk. T-O-K. So
T-K.
T-K-T-O-K. Tech
Alright.
talk. That actually is relevant.
Yeah.
It makes sense
I'm
because
like,
TikTok's a big thing now.
can we do that?
You have a TikTok, right?
Is that illegal?